Now, this topic, we're going to cover Goodman's and Kruskal's gamma. What is gamma for? Gamma is used to describe the strength and direction of association between two ordinal level variables. The key word is ordinal. If you replace ordinal by interval level, then gamma should be replaced by what? By correlation, okay? Next, let's look at an example, okay? Next, let's look at an example. Suppose that a researcher wanting to examine the relationship between social class, we call X, and faith in fairness of the local police, we call Y. Now, both social class and local police, the faith in fairness of the local police, both variables are in ordinal level. Now, the corrected data are summarized in the following table, okay? Are summarized in the following table. Now, let's look at this table together. This is a 3x3 cross tabulation. 3x3, social class. Okay, social class. We divide social class into 3 different levels. Upper level, middle level, and what? And lower level. And for faith in fairness of the local police, we put high, medium, and low. Okay? And the numbers. How many upper social class people have faith in the fairness of local police? How many upper social class people have faith in fairness of local police is high? Okay? That number is 15. Okay? As you can see, upper social class, they have more higher faith in fairness of the local police. This one's 15. Now, the total sample size n equal to what? 80, okay? N equal to 80. This is a given data set. And this is what we call what? A 3x3 cross tabulation, okay? A 3x3 cross tabulation. Next one, we're going to show you how can we calculate the gamma from the given table. Now, step one, look at the structure of the table, step one. Now, for the X, the social class, look at how we arrange the data. Upper, middle, and lower, right? Upper, middle, lower. And this direction, the vertical direction, faith in fairness, Y variable, from high, medium, and low, okay? Low in the bottom, high faith in fairness in the what? In the top. So from low to high, from bottom to top, okay? Look at this direction. The social class, upper to lower class, from what? From left to right, okay? Make sure the order is what? Arranged in the way I show you in the table, okay? Let me try one more time. Upper, middle, lower, from left to right, okay? Here is what? low, median, high, or you say high, median, low. High, median, low, from top to bottom, okay? Make sure the order is what? Is correct in both directions. And next one. Next one, we got to obtain what? NA. What's NA? MA is a number of agreements. MA is a number of agreements, okay? Now, let's begin with the northwest corner, which you see what? 15. And we eliminate these two what? This row, the top row, and what? The first column. And use this one, 15. Multiply with what? The rest entry in the table, which you see is 10, 8, 7, 11. So it's 15 times what? 10 plus 8 plus 7 plus 11, okay? Now, then we move to what? Move to the next one. Next one, entry in the top row. We erase this one, and then we erase what? The second column. So use 8 to multiply the rest entry. A 11, so A times what? A plus 11, okay? And now we keep moving to what? The third entry in what? In the first row. But look at here. Here's nothing here, right? So it's become 7 times 0. So that means you don't need to worry. Now then we'll move to what? The first entry in what? Next, let's move to what? The first entry on what? On what? On the first column, okay? I erase what? The second row completely, and I erase what? The first one, column. What's left? Only 7 and what? 11 left, okay? So this one becomes 10 times what? 7 plus 11, okay? And we keep doing this. And we keep doing this, okay? We go to what? The second entry on the second column, okay? Use this one and eliminate this row and what? This column. So it's 10 times what? Remaining entry, which is 11. 10 times 11. Now when I move to the third entry on the second row, I erase this, but here's nothing. So it's 8 times what? 0. And keep doing this, okay? Keep doing this. So when I move to what? The third entry, the bottom entry in the first column, I erase this row and what? Erase this column. But you see nothing here. So it's 4 times what? Nothing. Okay, so same thing for what? 7 and 11. So we stop right here. So what is NA? What is NA? Look at here. What is NA? NA is 15 times what? 10 plus A plus 7 plus 11. Plus A times what? A plus 11. Plus 10 times 7 plus 11. Plus 10 times what? 11. And that's 982. Okay? So let's look at this one very quickly. Okay? Look at this one very quickly. We add 15 times 10 plus A plus 7 plus 11. And second one begin with 8 times what? A plus 11. And jump to what? 10 times what? 7 plus 11. And the last one. And the last one is what? 10 plus what? 10 times what? 11. And summarize the 4 terms. Okay? We can rewrite NA as what? NA is 15 times this, 8 times this, 10 times this, 10 times this, and total give you what? Total give you 982. 982 is what? Number of agreements, okay?